Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh-Kerbin Community College, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. So today is a quick reading tip. Reading is important in college. There's a lot of reading that's required, and in fact, reading is the #1 way you learn things in college. There are tons of tips out there, but one of the most common ones is SQ3R. What you want to do when you sit down to read something is you want to skim it first. Skim the reading, look at the keywords, the charts, the pictures, the topics, get a sense of what's coming. You then want to close that book and make a list of questions based on that skimming. What's about this? What about that? Right? Then you want to actively read the material. The key word here is active. Right? Then you want to close the material and you want to recite out loud what you've learned. You can talk out loud to yourself, but also this is a great time to spend some time with a classmate. Right? Then you want to review, self-assess. What did you remember? What don't you remember? What do you look back on and review a little bit more? Right? There's other tips available. Look for them. So coming soon. We're out of time, so have a good one.